What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing Madden 19 Hall of Fame Edition. So let's get this out of the way, and whoever wants this code, DLC, whatever this is, go ahead and knock it out. This is your code. Give you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bada boom, we're done. So we are unboxing Madden Hall of Fame Edition. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what we have here. I'm gonna show you the code one more time. There you go. Pretty much what this code does give you is the Hall of Fame Edition Temple de la... No, not really. That's probably the different language. Well, what this code does give you is you have a choice of an elite player from your favorite NFL team. You get 12 Gold Team Fantasy Packs, 2 custom uniforms in Madden Ultimate Team, and you get Madden NFL 19 Athlete Elite Player Cover. So, oh yeah, you also get 1 training pack. So, I don't know if you can see this here. There you go. And you got T.O., Woodson, Davis, Urlacher, whatever his name is. Dan Marino. I grew up in the Dan Marino days, so I know about Dan Marino. So yeah, go ahead and download this code. It's all yours. You get to keep it. Another thing you get in here is another flyer, Madden 19 Championship Series. So yeah, Madden is played competitively. So if you follow it, man, that's pretty dope that, you know, esports is growing. Not only just shooters and fighters, you got sports now. You got FIFA and you got Madden. Now here are the controls for Madden: defense, offense, ball carrier, and of course you get your EA Access flyer telling you to go sign up so you can play Battlefield 1, Sims 4, or NBA Live. But me and myself, I like NBA 2K better than NBA Live, to be honest. Go ahead and take out the disc and yeah, let's see how this comes out. So you got the Madden 19 on the cover. You have, I have no idea who's this in the cover. I honestly, I really don't watch football. I haven't played Madden since 99 or 98. So it's been a while that I've played Madden. And of course, you know, you got your disc. You know what I noticed about this disc? On the edges, if you ever touched your Wii U games and they're rounded, this edge is rounded. As I mentioned, this edge is rounded. I guess they're starting to do it more with these games now, just like the Wii U. So it's pretty cool that they're rounded. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Nothing in the cover, as you can see. No background, no limited edition, nothing. I would expect it for a Hall of Fame edition, which this retails for like 70 or 80 bucks. But I'd be lying to you. I actually got this from Amazon for like $59, I think. Because if you do buy from Amazon, you do get a discount on games, especially when you pre-order. You usually get like $5, $10, almost $15 in discounts. So yeah, here you got the cover boy. You got Terrell Owens, 2018 Hall of Fame inductee. Of course, officially licensed product, Madden 19, NFLPA, National Football League Players Association. I'm guessing that's what it is. Of course, this is 4K Ultra HD, HDR, Xbox One Enhanced. And you got the cover in the back as well. Achieve greatness with one of the 5 elite Hall of Fame legends, which you do get in that pass that I just gave away. This is Xbox One Enhanced, I already mentioned that. Single player, multiplayer 2 to 4, co-op multiplayer 2 to 4, and Xbox Live multiplayer 2 to 6. This does require 50 gigabytes of storage to download this game to your Xbox. So if you don't have the space, or if you ain't rocking the Xbox One X with all that extra memory, I don't know what's wrong with you. So go ahead and clear that space, or go pick you up an Xbox One X. Or of course, if you got a external hard drive, that also works as well, but yeah, you know. Alright, so there you have it. Hall of Fame Edition Madden 19. This was released on Friday, August the 10th, I believe. So anyways, check out my other videos. I got some more videos coming up pretty soon. I might do a double upload today. So thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.